Kia ora, kōrua.
Kia ora, Suzy.
I have some gorgeous tamariki here and they'd love to learn some te reo Māori. Can you help them out?
Of course we can. Come sing with us, Tamariki Ma.
Okay.
Kia ora, kōrua.
Let's learn te reo Māori. It's easy, you will see. Just master the vowels and you'll speak fluidly. Can you say hug?
Hug.
Then you can say ah.
Ah.
Can you say apple?
Apple.
Then you can say eh.
Eh.
Can you say key?
Key.
Then you can say e.
E.
Can you say orange?
Orange.
Then you can say o.
O.
Can you say shoe?
Shoe.
Then you can say oo.
Ooh.
A, E, I, O, U.
A. E. I. O. U.
Hug, apple, key, orange, shoe. Now those are the short vowels. There's still 5 more. The next are the long vowels. Learn them and you'll soar. Can you say car?
Car.
Then you can say ah.
Ah.
Can you say bear?
Bear.
Then you can say air.
Air.
Can you say sheep?
Sheep.
Then you can say e.
E.
Can you say on?
On.
Then you can say oh.
On.
Can you say moon?
Moon.
Then you can say ooh.
Ooh.
A, E, I, O, U.
A. E. I. O. U.
Car, bag, sheep, on moon. You've learned the 10 vowels of te reo Māori. Master them and you'll be speaking beautifully. Soon you'll be able to say aporo and tui, or even longer words like taumata whakatangi hanga ko au au o tamatea tūripu kākā piki maunga horo no kupo kai whenua ki tāna tānu.
Oh, that's a long one.
Well, kara whiua, give it a go. You'll get it in no time.